Alright guys, I kind of fucked up today. Not like in the charts, because today was my best day. I made like 4K today. But I forgot the mic was off the whole fucking stream, bro. The whole fucking video mic was off. I just started editing, and then I'm realizing this shit right now. So I'm gonna do a quick recap, but I'm still gonna post a video. You guys, if you want to watch the whole thing without the audio, if you guys want to see exactly where I entered, exactly where I exited for all my trades, you can go watch the whole thing. But this is basically a recap of what happened today. So 8:30, right? We were going up. Here. Where's that? 8:30. Woke up around here. I was like, it's a bullish day. It's price is chasing something higher up. There was a high here that got taken out. It was somewhere here, but I took it off because after it took it out, I was looking for shorts. So that's why I took that high out. But it's not exact, but it's somewhere here. And basically, I took it on here. I got in here. I got out here. I got in here. Got out here. There's like here I took like 3 to 4 trades up to here. So I bought at the every pullback I bought, and I sold at the top right here. Let me see if I can show you guys my executions on the other. I think it was in this account right here. Look, so bought here, sold here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. This was in one account. Once this made 1500 on the eval, right, I was like, I'm not gonna trade anymore, because if I trade anymore, I'm gonna hit the consistency rule on the, because it was like 1700. So this account 1764. Once it hit 17 over 1500, I switched to my second account, right, second eval, this one. And this high got taken out, right? And oh no, this was a high from, let's just look at it. It was a high, or it was also a 4-hour bearish gap, right? And it filled out completely. Yeah. So this gap right here, this gap right here, it filled it out complete. I mean, not completely, so you could see like until here. And then it tapped into this order block. Oh, it didn't tap into this order block, but right here. But I still sold the top. I was like, I'm not holding on to here. I know a lot of people are gonna long until this. Like they're gonna be like, oh, it's gonna hit this, it's gonna hit this. Nah, bro, it's just gonna take your fucking liquidity. So it still didn't tap into that. And then, but right when I sold, I was like, okay, I'm good. This happened. We saw shorts. I saw bam this. I was like, okay, we might see some down. And then on the 15 and the higher time frame, we created this order block, and then we were respecting it. 15, you see this right here, it was like we were in this box right here, when I saw this box forming, bam, I entered. Let me cut this off. Okay, let me delete, because I don't wanna. So let me delete this line too. Bam. So 1700 on the way up, right? 1764 on the way up, and then this on, yeah, I caught this. So when I saw this form on top of this, and then it formed this, I went for shorts. I sold here and then bought here. So whatever this, I caught the sell from here to here. You could see the arrows. And then I was chilling, and then my textbook setup formed right here. And then I took this long right here. Took this long it was like this. It was like this. Something like this. Something like this. And as soon as it made this displacement, I stops was here, and then I sold one contract. I was immediately risk free. All the detailed entry, I'm gonna cut it up so the video is not that long for the executions, because basically you can't even hear me talk. So I'll just put and then fast forward to the execution so you guys can see where I exactly entered, where I exactly got out. Oh, and I did have a loss and here. I got stopped out of 2 contracts here, like half my position here once. But if not, I would have had like 2,000 on the way up. But so on the way down, so this is my second account. I did this. I caught this shorts and then I caught this longs. And then this account was up 1763. I was like, alright, Gucci for that. Now I'm moved to my XFA. And then I went to my XFA, and then I caught XFA was not, XFA I trade conservatively. This one, what did I catch on my XFA? XFA, let me look at my journal. So yeah, all the trade already journaled. XFA trade right here. This was the trade. Oh yeah, textbook. My textbook setup appeared. I took it. Also in the 15, I saw closure above. I was like, okay. But I still didn't hold it for that long because I could have hold it, but I took 2 trades basically. So I got in, got out. Got in here of this break. Textbook setup, also SMT form 2. Look, I didn't even delete this, but I deleted this one, I think. Yeah, so no, this one was textbook, right? And then right after this textbook, another textbook appeared. It was a small one though, so it was this. So another SMT, it was this, and then we had IFVG. Yeah, it was this. So, and then we had displacement above this gap, and then and on top of this, we formed I think I went on 1 contract, right? And then when I saw this, I was like, alright, a bullish order block formed again. I went second con here, and then stops. As soon as they made this low, my stops were tight. I sold one like right here. You guys can see the video. I sold one right here, somewhere here, and then after I sold this, I was completely risk free. And then I sold one right there. So that one was like a $400 trade. And then I could have held that to here, but I was like, just give me my money, feel me? So I took that, and then I was like, so all total it was like 3,093. Like I was like $100 away from a 4K day, bro. So I was like, let me take a little small trade from here to. I was like, okay, broke this. We're gonna at least come up to these highs, at least. So all I need is a little fucking move, and I have on my 4K day. That was really fucking gambler. That's the inner gambler in me, but took this fucking setup. It was like a really, cause risk. I was like, risk is low too, cause all these prices filled. My stop loss can be tight. Like, so as soon as this liquidity sweep happened, I was like, okay, I was gonna enter here, and if I entered too quick, I would have gotten stopped out. But after I saw the liquidity sweep and then it made a run up, I'm like, I'm entering. And I saw right here, and then I saw this, and then I entered on the pullback of this candle, right? So literally, I entered and exited on the same candle. I entered on the pullback. What the? I entered on the pullback, and then stops were obviously like super tight. I think my stop was here initially, And then as soon as I got something like this, I sold the top. I sold the top here. This was the trade basically. It's like a little ass trade. $100. Bam. My total was my total, hold on. Total is 469. So my biggest day yet. Beautiful, beautiful price action today. We had direction. I literally just followed the trend the whole time. The whole time I just followed the trend, bro. The whole time. Hold this momentum going up. We didn't see any type of resistance until here, which I did sell the top because for our order block. It still didn't tap it, but it just went down. I guess too many people were long and liquidity built up here, so price wants to come down naturally. But yeah, I had one loss. I had one loss here. It was like a $500 loss, some shit like that. But it was that loss was when here. That loss was here. That loss was here. Yeah, that loss was in this account somewhere here. I think it was, no, not here. Somewhere here when I was trying to go up, and then I trailed one of my, so half my, so it was 2 cons, but I did 4 contracts. I was sizing heavy. I was like, fuck that. We're gonna move on these evals. So yeah, it was like I just got stopped out, bam, and then it went up. I think it was here somewhere. Oh, here. So 4 cons, yeah, here, somewhere around here. And then but I was still on. So half the position got deleted here. Yeah, it was exactly here. Half the position got deleted here. So I had my stops here. I had 2 con stops here because I was like, that's gonna be too much risk. And then my regular 2 con stops was at the low that didn't get touched. But stopped out at this, it was like this much stop, but it was 2 cons, so it was like 50-50. So basically it was a 50 point stop, but 2 cons, so it's basically it was a dent. It was like a $500, such like that. And then got in again. I was like, pull back. As soon as I like, bam, broke above, closed above, took that, bam, sold it. Sold the wick too. Didn't sell the closure. Sold the wick. Sold like somewhere here. Yeah, and then down, like I said. That's it. 4K day. That's a PR day. That's a personal record. And then I stopped trading. I'm like, I'm not gambling anymore. I don't care what the market does. I already made my money. You guys want to see the detail, like where I entered, the boring stuff? It's gonna be rest of the video. It's gonna be long. I know a lot of people are not gonna watch that, but I don't care. I don't do it for the views or anything. It's not like I'm getting paid off YouTube, but that's my I literally plug these videos to my Notion, so I could, it's a video journal for me. Like, I don't know if you guys look, like I link my shit like this, so when I click it, you see this is my whole day's video, so I know exactly what I did. So it's a video journal. So video journal, baby, that's a different level of journaling. The better you get at journaling, the more money you make. The faster you progress. The more money you make. The better trader you are, the more money you make. And no one can stop you. Peace out.